Hola, mi nombre es Nelly and I'm from Zappos.com. This is Mickey's 90th Inter-Mix Deluxe System Kit, Disney collaboration from Petunia Pickle Bottom. Here we have this super cute system bag that includes some storage pouches right here. It's gonna be perfect to help keep everything nice and organized. We have these two straps right here for easy carrying. There is a strap on both sides as well. Now let's look at the compartments. We have 4 small zip compartments. Each of them have a zip pocket. They're perfect to help keep everything nice and organized. This one right here is the biggest one, and of course inside you'll find that it's very roomy. And then lastly, we do have this zip pocket as well, and it offers this mesh top right here, so you're going to be able to just see everything that is inside. Stay organized with this gorgeous kit from Petunia Pickle Bottom.